Hello beautiful souls, welcome back to my video today about what beauty product mature women are ditching. Do you have a clue? What's your thoughts? Drop them down below. For all the people that are new out here, my name is Julie Catherine and I do a lifestyle beauty and fashion YouTube. So I'm 52 years old, so I would love for you to join my community. So hit subscribe. Let's get into it. What is the one beauty product that mature women are ditching? Ta-da! We're not using heavy foundations. I mean, our money's not that heavy, but it is a fuller foundation. We are going more for a skin tint. So anything with the light coverage is kind of what's trending for mature women, not even just mature women. Let's just call it spade a spade. All women are kind of going more for the glowy, natural look. So that's kind of what I'm gonna do today, is a kind of like a glowy, natural look, the no makeup but makeup look. So let's get into it. So to start off the no makeup look, more natural, glowy skin, you start off with skincare, So I kind of got all my skincare on, and I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. primer, Prime Grip. Now this sucker grips. It is raining here again. This is why I'm back in my bathroom again. So I need my makeup to kind of last. And I usually only put it on places that tend to peel, pull, or the makeup just kind of rubs off very easy. So for the star of the show, I'm going in with the Kosas BB. This is newer. I probably got it 3 months ago. I've been liking it. So I usually go in with my hands first. I don't use a lot. This stuff is very hydrating, which I absolutely love. And if you have mature skin, you want something kind of hydrate. Honestly, if your skin is dry, it's gonna show more wrinkles. That's why we love glowy products. Okay, so the point of using more of a skin tint is that you kind of want to show some of your imperfections. It's not supposed to literally cover everything up, but I know this is buildable a little bit, but I just want one thin layer and I want to start that way. Now this stuff starts off pretty sticky feeling, but it does dry down. Now I want to go in with my little Bobbi Brown. This is just to help some of the darkness. Now when it's raining, my allergies are pretty bad, so my darkness is pretty on point. I need to correct that so I don't have to use so much concealer, because we know concealer can show our wrinkles a little bit more. Okay, so I went ahead and bought this Kosas. This is a serum. This is like a light serum. I bought this. This is in the shade 3.8N. I do neutralize my eye. So we're gonna dab that in. And we're just kind of correcting just a little bit. This helps kind of not use so much. I don't do the big this. That stuff would, oh my gosh, it would make my wrinkles poppin'. So I just kind of pat it in down on this bone. So I'm gonna let that dry down. I'm gonna go in with my brows. I'm using, this is a new-ish product, the e.l.f. Ultra Precise. We're not gonna draw on our brows, but a lot of times when you are maturing, you start losing your tail and you start losing the front. This is the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. This is in the color Brunette. I've had this for, I don't know, this is probably my second one I've had. Now I had another one that's the e.l.f. The difference is the head is a lot smaller. So I'm just going to go in just a little bit. I think when you have, like you do a like no makeup look, it's good to have brows and a little bit more of your lip to kind of define the eyes and stuff, because we're gonna do mascara on the top but not the bottom, which I love mascara. I'm just gonna go in and kind of neutralize it and put a powder down, because I'm going to do a liquid shadow. So when I want to go for more of a no makeup look, I always try to start with like the bronzer I'm using and just kind of get it in the crease. Just try to define it a little bit. Typically I put eyeshadow down there, but we're not doing that today. This is the Armani number 27. It's kind of pinky. It's really pretty. So I'm gonna put this just all over my eyes. And they blend out like a dream. Like, doesn't take much to blend them out. It just has like a wash of color. It has such a pretty slight little sheen, so it looks like when it catches the sun, if we ever have sun again, you can see that you have eyeshadow on without looking like you have a bunch of eyeshadow. Okay. Cream bronzer, but this is the Mario Skin Enhancer, so it's gonna be a little bit lighter than your normal bronzer. This is just gonna kind of sculpt and give you a little color. So we're gonna go in with that, and I'm gonna use my little e.l.f. I just dab it in there. More of a natural glow without being too heavy. We're gonna keep pushing it up like this. I could have just used this in my crease too. I have before, but it melts into your skin. It looks really good if you don't even want to use like a skin tint. You could just use this, a little eyebrow, put this in the crease and a lip gloss, and then you're ready to go. Okay, so I like that. And then my next thing I'm gonna head to is I'm gonna kind of set that a little bit with the MAC Give Me Sun. This is an oldie but goodie for sure. I mean, I love this stuff. This really gives me like a tan look. So I'm just gonna go in a little here just to kind of set that powder foundation. I don't want a lot of color from it. I just want to set that cream. We need to set the creams because sometimes it'll start moving around. If you have a problem with that, it kind of moves around, is because it's a cream product and needs to be kind of set. I already had this. This is a repurchase. This is Ilia and Outlast. I love this color. It's so pretty. It's like such a pretty pink. Just again, this blends out so well. You're seeing me use a lot of cream because that's what I like. And I used to be just all powders. Like goodness, my foundation was like the MAC powder, you know, in that little compact like this. That's all I used to use. I am gonna add eyeliner just to the top of the lash to kind of thicken it up a little bit. Now my eyelashes do not like to curl. I mean, when I curl them, they only last about 30 seconds. This is my Coca Black little pixie. I'm literally just gonna rim. See how it just, like, it looks like I already have mascara. And if you wanted it, if you're not a mascara person, you can do this. And it looks kind of pretty natural. I mean, it almost looks like I have mascara. But this is my new Maybelline Panorama. Love this mascara, it's so good. I love this wand, the way it's shaped like that, because when you get the inner, it's the smaller and the outer is the thicker part. Love that. I haven't seen really that been done before in a mascara wand. I don't know, something about the wands really matter. I know people say if your eyelashes have a hard time curling to use waterproof, but you can't get that off. That's the one thing that really keeps me from getting it is when I'm ready to wash off my makeup, I'm ready to wash it off. Like, I don't need 10 minutes trying to get mascara off. Okay, I am definitely a lash, but I'm not gonna do that. Because if you want the look of no makeup, that kind of gives it away, right? Okay, we're almost done. This is the Charlotte Tilbury and Pillow Talk. Have you ever heard of the gem lip? You need something, like I put this on my lip and it pretty much blends in. That's your closest to your natural lip color, and that's kind of what you want. You want, when you think of no makeup kind of look, you want like a rosy type, just a hint of color. You want to bring back life to your lips. And then I'm just gonna pat it with, this is MAC Velvet Teddy. I'm gonna go in there and just kind of pat it in. I don't want a lot of color, just gives it a little life. And I'm gonna top that off with Moon, my Maybelline lip lifter. I love this stuff. It's kind of got a little peachy undertone with the right amount of gloss. So I'm gonna go in here and warm this up underneath my eyes, press it all in, and I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline. I just got this, I'm testing it out to see if I really like it or not. This is more of a translucent powder, so no color, obviously. It's just to take the shine down. Okay, so far I like this. So let me do my hair and I'll come back. Okay, so that is the final look. I really like this look. I think it looks clean and fresh and glowy, like healthy skin. So I am totally on board with using more skin tints just to it's just kind of like a lit within, you know? I don't know, but I really, really like it. Let me know if you like a skin tint. So that is it for today. Make sure that you like and subscribe. I'm building a community here. I would love to hear your thoughts on more of a natural makeup. Now, I will tell you, I'm not used to no mascara on the bottom lashes, but I'm kind of liking it though. So very cute. I love it. So until next time, bye.